This video I'm going to show you how you can add animated arrows stickers on your videos in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here this video of an eagle, and I like to go ahead and add an arrow that constantly points towards the movement. To do so, it is quite simple. Head over to Filmora and then add your video on your timeline, and then go over to this option called stickers. From this, you'll see a list of stickers, and if you hover over them, you can see they have quite a number or different animations. Scroll through them and find the sticker that you wish. For instance, we have this, and you can see the type of animation that it has. We also have this, and you can see it moves back and forth. And if you like this, go ahead and download it. And once you have downloaded it, you can see it will be added automatically to your video, or you can just drag it and add to your video like that. It will be added automatically to your video. And once you have downloaded it, go ahead and click on plus to add it, and it will be added. Now here, if I play it, you can see the arrow has been added, but I like to go ahead and make some changes first. I like to apply it throughout the whole video, so I'll drag it to fill the whole video, and here you go. That is it. And then I want to go ahead and resize it and also rotate it. To do that, just click on it here and then resize it using the resize options here, and then you can rotate it using this rotate arrow like this, and that is it. Then I can move it here on top. Now we can go ahead and also duplicate it, and to duplicate this, just go ahead and right click on it on the timeline and then choose the option duplicate. And now you can see I have added it successfully. Now each and every time I play my video, you can see the arrow is pointing towards the bird, and it looks pretty nice. So that's how you can add animated arrows on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.